Ooh. Hi guys, didn't see you there. You just caught me eating some biltong. Again. Check here. Ooh. Something like that. I'll have to feed that to the dogs. Anyways, quick shout out. Hi Maggie. Wish you were here. You told me you love to eat biltong, so let me tell you about the biltong that I'm busy eating today. This biltong, and you can see it's nice and gorgeous, is from an animal that looks like this. That is an impala. And this impala did a very, very good job in making sure a lion didn't eat him, so that I can get to eat him. How nice is that? So today's adventure, I'm going to go through to the Buddhist temple in Bronkhorstspruit, and from Johannesburg to the temple in Bronkhorstspruit is, from OR Tambo International Airport, is about a 1 hour drive, and should be fun. The photos and that I have seen of the temple are quite beautiful, so I'm definitely going to enjoy my little adventure out there today. So stay tuned, buckle up, and let's rock and roll. So bad news, temple seems to be closed. It'll only open again in November because of coronavirus. But I'm going to kick out to Ezemvelo Nature Reserve and then do some photography around there.